Grand Rising. So today I want to talk about living in the end. Living in the end. So Neville Goddard teaches us to live in the end and assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. So if you're going out somewhere and you see a piece of trash on the ground, pick it up. Because you want to live in the end, which means that you're living in a harmonious world without trash. So you need to act as if you're living in that world right now, and your assumption will replicate, and then you'll start to be in that world of harmony, clean environment. So you see where I'm going with it? So you can't desire something and not live in that moment and then expect it to come to you. So again, if you see trash on the floor, yes, pick it up, because that's the world that you want to live in. Remember, where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow.